Welcome to Free and Powerful. My name's Ken Rankin, and people have asked me, how do I create real wealth online, a lasting income working on the internet from home? And really the answer comes down to one word, and that word is change. I'm going to state the obvious, but it's worth stating, and that is you need to do something different in order to have the success that you don't currently have. And of course everybody knows that, but really that change, the difficult part of that is the risk that you have to take. Of course, online today, there's lots of opportunities, but 99% of them are going to cost you something out of pocket. So you're going to have to pay some money in order to find out if something's going to work for you. The other thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to invest time and energy. So the thought is, and the risk is, what if I put that time and that energy in? What if I take money out of my pocket and I make that investment, but it just wasn't for me, or it didn't really work? And so that's the reason why I created Free and Powerful. I wanted to give you the opportunity to use the system to create real results. So I don't want to add value after you pay something. I want to give you value before you're even asked to pay anything. And that's what Free and Powerful does. It gives you bite-sized training that allows you to have quick success using the most advanced technologies on the internet today. It takes things that you are familiar with and shows you how you can create income from home in a very easy fashion. So we want to invite you to become a member of Free and Powerful today. Now you'll see on the sign-up form that we aren't just asking you for your name and your email address and then saying, hey, we're going to tell you about our business, just give us some information of yours. What we're saying is become a real full-fledged member today at no cost to yourself. This isn't just a trial membership. This is a genuine free membership that you can have right now. So we're going to invite you to sign up and become a member. Now, after you've achieved some success, you might be interested in getting a premium membership. That premium membership is a very affordable fee, but I want to make something very clear right now. It is not required at all in order to make money with Free and Powerful. I just want you to understand that. You don't think, oh, look, they got me in here, now they're asking me for money. That's not what it's about. Of course, we've got some advanced training, some advanced opportunities for you to make additional income. And if you want to participate in that, then you can, but you don't have to. So, take the opportunity now to become a free member and get real value and real training immediately that you can use today to start creating an income from home. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.